We are here at the heart of the green and vibrant megatropolis, city of the future, Shenzhen, China. And here it is, the 2018 Audi Brand Summit and the Audi Q8 world premiere. Welcome to the secret inner chambers of Audi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is always a pleasure and a big honor to be back in China. And not because this is the largest single market of Audi worldwide. But after 30 years of operating in this country, traveling to China always feels like coming home.
A great change in new energy technologies is taking place across the world. China has already become the largest new energy vehicle market in the world. By 2020, Audi e-tron will be produced in China as the first locally produced pure electric SUV model of FAW-VW Audi.
When someone asks me today, what does Audi stand for? Only three words spinning in my mind. Vorsprung durch Technik. We are taking electric mobility to the next level, and we define the digital experience for tomorrow. Just take the Audi icon, fully autonomous, purely electric, and completely connected. The Audi icon is a milestone for today and the outlook for the future.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Audi Q8 is a new phase of our Q family. What we did is something different than our competitors. What we did is we combined the functionality of an SUV with the aesthetic, the sporty aesthetic of a four-door coupe. The Audi Q8 demonstrates in each detail how we define luxury and new premium. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.